Hi, today I'm going to do a quick review about Thermaltake's new Pacific Sea Pro fittings. This is what the fitting looks like. And it also comes with a key. I'll show you what the key is meant for. So we unlock this. The fitting has these parts. This part, an O-ring, this, and this. So what I'll do is, I'm going to demonstrate how we use these fittings. You take this part here, and you see, we use the key if we want to tighten it. And we'll take a tube. First we put this, then we'll put an O-ring. Then we've got this part. As you can see, that's where the groove for the O-ring. Take all three parts like that. I position it, and we just start to tighten it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install these fittings. Thank you.